Before selecting the mini project title, the student would have to select the domain of their interest first. The domains in ECE include VLSI, MATLAB, embedded systems, IoT, etc. These are the few domains in which the topic should be selected. After selecting the concept or title of the mini project, you have to select the particular your favorite topic on which you are going to do experiment. Mini project builds confidence in students, thus encouraging them to do more. Learning new things and implementing them as projects prove helpful in building the career. There are many, but majorly the best domains in ECE are VLSI, IoT, embedded systems. These are the main domains. IoT based mini projects for ECE students. Industry parameters monitoring and controlling system based on embedded web server. Smart and IoT based data acquisition system based on advanced Cortex M3 based controller. Streetlights monitor and controller over internet for smart cities. IoT based irrigation system with soil wet data threshold settings for different seasons. IoT based home automation smart way to controlling your home from anywhere. Automatic energy meters monitoring in buildings and apartments using IoT. Implementation of vehicle tracking and monitoring system using IoT. IoT based greenhouse monitoring and controlling system. Automatic and instantaneous power station power quality monitoring system using IoT. Temperature measuring and reporting system with graph using IoT. IoT based remote machine status monitoring and controlling in industries. IoT based online weather report streaming with graphs. Virtual caretaker online patient monitoring system using IoT. These are the few topics. Mini project titles based on IoT domain. IoT is the latest technology